Hello everyone, welcome back to That Cyber Guy. In my previous Masscan video tutorial, someone asked a great question. Can you exclude multiple IP ranges using CIDR notation? So today I'll show you exactly how with a real example. So even though I inserted this individual, so I really want to make a video about it so we can have a few examples. So when scanning the internet, you don't want to accidentally hit a private network. That's where the exclude flag comes in. So it lets you skip internal ranges like 10.x.x.x or 192.168.x.x. So it, so we are going to have an example from a viewer. So what we are going to do, we are going to just try masking and then do the exclude command. So to do so, you can type sudo and then the keyword, which is masking. And then what we are going to do, we are going to just, try to exclude it. We are going to just try to just keep it simple. Let's say, dash P for the port number 80. The same thing that we did in the past. And then 443. Then you can just add it. Go 000 that's 0 and then you can just set the rate to 1000. All right, now this is when we can just enter the question, so we can just hit the exclude flag. Now from the exclude flag, so it's gonna tell the entire internet, from port 80 or port 43, like HTTP and HTTPS, to skip all the private IPs. For example, if I want to exclude the private IP, which is 10.0.0.0, and just skip the mask of 8. And then if I want to like skip the one as well range, I can just put a comma, like 192.168 that's 0, and then third one, if I want to just, I can do like 172 something, 172 that's 16, that's 0, and then /12, as describe it into our example. So this gonna tell Masscan to just keep this flag. So now what we can actually do, we can just hit enter. Now we have to enter our password. Or they say the rate is unknown. I know where the problem is, because I made a typo. Let's just go back and make sure that after the dash the rate is just together. I put it, I accidentally added a space. Yeah, basically the same as we did from our previous video. Let me just put everything together. The rate is together now. There we go. And then let's just go ahead and gonna hit enter again. Oh, as you can see here, just trying to discover the port and then go from there. And as you can see, it's gonna try to exclude all all the IPs that you put into that range. As you can see, it just you're not going to see anything that starts with 10 dot or 192 or 172. So yeah, and that's all you exclude IP ranges in Masscan. And if you've got more questions or want to go deeper, or if you want a deeper tutorial, you can just feel free to drop them into the comment section. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time.